Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in your essentials. Pick one niche and 2 to 3 content pillars so your audience knows what to expect. Once done, switch to a creator account and write a short bio with a single CTA. Add a profile photo that reads at small sizes. Make 3 reels, 3 image posts, and 3 carousels in a single batch. Schedule them across 2 weeks to learn what resonates quickly. This gets you out of setup and into reel posting immediately. You now focus on execution. Shoot vertical 9:16 video and capture the hook in the first 3 seconds because attention is earned quickly. Then edit with tighter pacing, add readable captions, and include an actionable end card. Make sure the audio is loud and clear. Post 3 times per week and layer in 2 stories between posts to stay visible. After posting, spend 15 to 30 minutes replying to comments and DMs. You close the loop by reviewing metrics every week. Focus on saves, reach, watch time, and follower growth so you know what to repeat. Once done, repurpose your best-performing clips into shorter reels, stories, and carousel snippets and schedule collaborations to expand reach. If things go wrong and reach stays low, troubleshoot. Change your hashtags, overhaul the opening 3 seconds, and actively comment on related creators' posts to drive discovery. Keep iterating. Small experiments compound into reliable growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.